Choose the correct statement about the mechanical wave. It requires medium for its propagation. Yes. Are transverse only? No. This is false because longitudinal will be there. Can be both longitudinal transverse? Yes. So easily you can find 1 and 3 will be the right choice. So finally I can say the option number 4 will be the right choice, 1 and 3. So let's move on question number 12. In the question number 12, the angular frequency of particle in progressive wave elastic medium 50 radian per second. Moving with velocity 150, okay, phase difference two particles separated by 30 meter, same instant will be. Because we know the phase difference is equal to k into delta x. And as I said, k is equal to omega upon v, right? So first I will write omega upon v into delta x. According to the problem, the value of omega is 50 pi and I need the value of v, and that is 150 meter per second. Separation means delta x, and that is 30 meter according to the problem. 30. So when you will calculate, you will get 10 pi radian. So that is the phase difference. So my option number 3rd will be the right choice. Let's move on question number 13. Question number 13 is a good question. A simple harmonic transverse wave is traveling along positive x direction. Okay. The displacement of particle from their mean position at any time t on y-axis. Their location from origin. X-axis are as shown in the figure. Choose the incorrect alternate. A is the amplitude of wave. Before going to solve, you know relation between particle velocity and wave velocity. This is slope of graph. That one, this is very important relation, and that will explain all things. So if I concentrate on the given graph, we'll see this is time t is equal to 0, and at B particle is moving like that, C and D, this one. So first I would like to say, I'm going to explain the scenario. Particle at point B and particle at point D has maximum speed. But why? Because they are at mean position. There is no doubt about that. But particle at O, particle at C have zero velocity. But why? Because they are at extreme position. Particle B is moving towards positive y-axis. But why? Because if slope is negative, then particle velocity will be positive. If slope is positive, then particle velocity will be negative according to this negative sign. So this is the reason I am saying particle B is moving toward positive y-axis. So by this discussion, you can easily find option number 3rd. Particle located at B has its velocity in negative y direction. So let's move on question number 14. Question number 14. The depth measuring device emits a signal 20,000 vibration per second, which has speed 1000 meter per second in water. The pulse is reflected from the ocean bed and returns to the device in 0.5 seconds. After the signal is emitted, the depth of the ocean is. So you can solve this question by using general concept distance is equal to speed into time. So x is equal to v into t. But in this case, first sound will go and will come. So we'll use 2x, where x depth of the ocean. So now you are able to solve. So I need first speed, that is 1000, and time 0.5 second means 1 by 2 and 2 into x. So when you will calculate the value of x, you will get 250 meter. So my option number 3rd will be the right choice. Let's move on question number 15. In the question number 15, a transverse wave of amplitude 2 meter, wavelength 4 meter, frequency 6 Hz, propagating in a string towards positive y direction. The equation of the wave may be. So in this question is asking to us how you will find the equation. So first, I would like to write the general equation of wave traveling in positive direction, that is x is equal a sine ky minus omega t. So this is the equation. According to the problem, the value of amplitude is 2 meter. The value of omega, you know, 2 pi f. F is the frequency, that is 12 pi radian per second. So this is the value of omega, and I need the wave propagation constant, you know, that is given by 2 pi upon lambda, and 2 pi upon lambda, when you will place the value, you will get 0.5 pi per meter, right? So when I will place the all given data in this equation, then we'll get x is equal to 2 sine 0.5 pi into y minus 12 pi into t meter. So by this discussion, I can say my option number 4 will be the right choice. So let's move on question number 16.